Feeling cramped at home or wishing your space could do a little more? These space-saving and multifunctional furniture ideas are designed to help you live bigger without adding square footage. From hidden storage to smart transformable pieces, every item works twice as hard, so you don't have to compromise on comfort or style. Check the links in the description to find your favorites. From cozy dinner for two to full-on family feast in minutes. This solid wood dining table starts as a slim console and expands to seat up to 12 when you need the space. You simply add the panels, and it grows with your guest list. The matching bench stretches too, giving you flexible seating without crowding the room. When the party's over, it shrinks back down, saving you precious floor space. Durable hardwood construction keeps it sturdy, stylish, and ready for every gathering you host. Your home office just learned a new trick. This Queen Murphy bed folds down smoothly from a sleek horizontal cabinet, giving you a full sleeping space for two in seconds. During the day, it works as a stylish desk you can actually use. The self-leveling surface keeps your items in place, so you don't have to clear everything off when opening the bed. Strong Euro slats provide flexible support, so you sleep comfortably and wake up ready to go. What if your side table could turn into instant seating for friends? This smart design is actually 4 separate stools that fit together perfectly to form one compact table. You pull them apart when guests arrive, and just like that, everyone has a place to sit. Each stool is crafted from sturdy hardwood and built to handle everyday use with ease. When you're done, they stack back together neatly, keeping your space open, clean, and clutter-free. Long day? This full-body massage chair is ready to take over. With one tap, you recline into zero gravity, a position that lifts your legs to heart level to reduce pressure and help circulation. The SL track design follows the natural curve of your spine, so the rollers massage from neck to lower back in one smooth motion. Built-in heat warms tight muscles, while airbags gently squeeze your arms and legs. Turn on the Bluetooth speakers, pick your favorite music, and let the stress melt away. Work hard, then hide it all away. This wall-mounted desk opens into a complete professional setup and folds closed when you're done. You get an adjustable monitor arm that tilts, rotates, and moves to the perfect height, so your screen sits exactly where you need it. Built-in studio lighting keeps you looking sharp on video calls with clear, natural color. Smart internal cable routing hides messy wires, while integrated power ports keep your devices charged. Compact, sturdy, and built to handle serious work without taking over your room. Your book collection deserves to spin in style. This tall, rotating bookshelf turns a small corner into a full library you can access with a simple push. The 360-degree swivel lets you grab any book without walking around it. Built from dense bamboo that's stronger than standard wood, each tier holds heavy hardcovers without bending. Dual shelf heights keep big textbooks and small paperbacks organized. Stable, compact, and surprisingly spacious, it helps you store more while using less floor space. This isn't just an ordinary coffee table, it's a clever centerpiece for your living room. The Domino coffee table blends clean lines with functional design, so your space feels open and stylish. Its smooth surface gives you plenty of room for drinks, books, and decor, while smart proportions keep it from overwhelming smaller rooms. Built with quality materials, it stays sturdy through everyday use. It's simple, modern, and ready to anchor any seating area in comfort and style. This coffee table is full of surprises. This center table lets you choose. Keep it as one large table or split it into 4 smaller tables for flexible use. Swivel legs make the transformation smooth while adding a touch of elegance. The top is finished in rich walnut, giving your living room a warm, contemporary vibe. Sturdy materials keep it solid for everyday use. making it both practical and stylish at the same time. This rolling side table moves wherever you need it. With lockable wheels, it glides smoothly from the living room to the bedroom or even your office. 3 tiers give you plenty of space for drinks, books, or decor, keeping everything within reach. Its sturdy build and wide base make it stable, while anti-scratch feet protect your floors. Sleek and modern, it adds style and function to any corner of your home. This isn't just a sofa, it's 4 pieces in one. Flip it from a comfy chair to a full sofa, a relaxing recliner, or even a bed for overnight guests. Thick, high-density cushions and soft linen fabric keep you comfortable in every position. The sturdy steel frame and metal legs make it solid and safe, while the removable bolster is easy to wash. Compact, versatile, and ready for anything. It's perfect for small spaces that need big functionality. Tired of feeling stiff and cramped at your desk? This cross-legged ergonomic chair lets you sit how you want, cross-legged, kneeling, or even squatting without straining your back or hips. The wide seat, adjustable height, and breathable materials keep you comfortable for hours. A 360-degree swivel lets you reach, twist, and move effortlessly around your workspace. Designed to support your posture and boost focus, it's a game changer for work, meditation, or just relaxing in style. Why settle for a regular sofa when you can have 4 in one? This velvet sofa easily converts into a cozy bed, perfect for naps or unexpected guests. The built-in cup holder and USB port keep your drinks and devices within reach. Adjustable backrest lets you lounge, read, or sleep in comfort, while side pockets keep your essentials organized. Compact yet stylish, it's ideal for small spaces, dorms, or apartments. Tired of digging through tangled necklaces and missing earrings? This standing jewelry cabinet keeps everything organized with dedicated slots, hooks, and drawers for all your pieces. A full-length frameless mirror lets you check your outfit head to toe, while 6 built-in LEDs light up your treasures for easy picking. The flip-over shelf doubles as a mini vanity for makeup or accessories. Sturdy, stylish, and scratch-safe, it's the ultimate home for your jewelry. Struggling with space in your kitchen or dining area? This foldable table adjusts easily to fit your needs, from a cozy dinner for 2 to a gathering of 6. Smooth tabletop and wood grain. Finish make every meal feel elegant, while lockable casters let you move it effortlessly and keep it steady. Built-in storage keeps utensils or essentials tucked away neatly. Compact, versatile, and stylish, it's perfect for small spaces without sacrificing functionality. Tired of a messy entryway? This slim shoe cabinet hides up to 36 pairs in 3 flip drawers, keeping your shoes neatly organized and out of sight. Adjustable shelves fit everything from sneakers to tall boots, while the top surface is perfect for keys or decor. Made from durable, waterproof wood, it's built to last and easy to clean. Anti-tip kit keeps it stable, making it safe for kids and pets, all in a sleek, space-saving design. Looking for a stylish way to organize your space? This 7-bucket cabinet blends traditional Chinese design with modern minimalist lines for a sleek, elegant look. Crafted from North American black walnut, it's built to last while adding a touch of luxury to any room. Multiple compartments give you plenty of storage for everything from decor to daily essentials. Perfect for living rooms or offices, it keeps your space tidy without sacrificing style. Why choose between a desk and a dining table when you can have both? This adjustable table transforms in seconds from a compact dining spot to a full workstation for work, study, or gaming. Hidden compartments keep your cables and devices out of sight, so your surface stays clean and organized. Crafted from solid wood with a sleek finish, it's built to last while looking modern. Perfect for small spaces, it adapts to whatever your day demands. Want a sofa that moves with you? This swivel-back sofa lets you turn, recline, or relax in any direction without leaving your seat. Genuine leather adds a sleek, luxurious feel while keeping it durable for daily use. Its modern Milan-style design makes it a standout piece in living rooms or villas. Comfortable, stylish, and versatile, it's perfect for lounging, entertaining, or just enjoying your space. Need a table that goes wherever you do? This C-shaped end table slides easily under sofas or beds, making it perfect for tight spaces. Adjustable angles let you use it flat for reading, working, or even binge-watching comfortably. Smooth rubberwood surface adds natural charm, while lockable 360-degree wheels keep it steady when you need it. Compact, versatile, and sturdy, it's your go-to table for living rooms, bedrooms, or anywhere you need extra space. Don't let the space under your stairs go to waste. These custom storage solutions turn awkward corners into practical, organized spots with pull-out drawers, cupboards, or hidden compartments. Each unit is tailored to fit your staircase perfectly, so no space is left unused. Store shoes, coats, or everyday essentials neatly and out of sight. Clever, elegant, and functional, it keeps your hallway tidy while making the most of every inch. Why limit your workspace or breakfast to a flat surface? This overbed table rolls effortlessly on 4 wheels, letting you use it at your bed, sofa, or recliner. Its spacious tabletop works as a desk, bar, or dining spot, and the baffle design keeps items from sliding off. Sturdy wood and a steel frame hold laptops, books, or meals securely. Move it, lock it, and enjoy comfort and convenience wherever you need it. Looking for a sofa that does it all? The Teddy sofa easily converts from a comfy couch to a sleeper bed, perfect for lounging, gaming, or hosting guests. Soft corduroy fabric comes in vibrant colors to match any room, and removable covers make cleaning a breeze. Sturdy frame and quality foam keep it comfy and durable for years. Compact yet versatile, it fits perfectly in living rooms, bedrooms, or vacation homes. Want a relaxing spot for your garden or patio? This modern swing chair comfortably seats 3 and comes with padded cushions and arm bolsters for extra comfort. A weather-resistant canopy keeps you shaded while you sway gently. Built-in side trays hold drinks, books, or snacks within easy reach. Stylish, sturdy, and spacious, it turns any outdoor space into your personal retreat. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.